Hey guys, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, we figured out that Quark is actually the bad guy, and he sent us to die. So, in this episode, we are going to be helping out a soldier to try and stop Quark's baddies from destroying everything. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to check on with the Gadgetron vendor. And we got a new gun, the Devastator. So, where you gotta buy this? Because this thing is awesome. Yeah, so it shoots missiles. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change up our layout for our square guns. Or our triangle guns. Alrighty, so I changed it up so that we have the suck cannon, the glove of doom, and the blaster still. We need some ammo for it. But we now have the bomb glove back, and we have the Devastator where the Pyrocitor used to be. Pyrocitor's a good gun, it's just, it's not really necessary for what we're doing right now. So, I think the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do this grind wheel section. Because, as you can see, it takes up most of the map. So, let's go ahead and get started on this. Yeah, I'm kind of forgetting how the grind section works. You just gotta jump over these whenever necessary, jump over to a new rail, and yep, you just gotta make it through all this. So, how have you guys been doing? I've been doing quite alright. I'm trying to think. What can I say? What can I talk about? I don't really have anything to talk about. Dang. Don't you hate it when that happens? You really want to talk to someone, and then you forget exactly what you were going to talk to them about. It's so bad. But yeah, I guess we're just gonna go through this, and yeah, I've always kind of liked the grind wheel sections in Ratchet and Clank games. I mean, they're really fun and kind of give you a break from all the action and stuff like that that's been going on. And, yep.
Halt! Who are you? What are you doing?
We are on a mission to save the galaxy.
Speak for yourself and put your hands down. You look ridiculous. Actually, I don't care who you are. I've got to get the heck out of here. I joined the army to get money to go to college. I never knew I'd end up in a war. Go figure.
This is a noble cause, sir.
Noble my hiney. I just want to get home to my family. Here, I pulled this off a busted robot. Give me some bolts for bus fare and it's yours.
Thank God we have just enough.
Thanks a bunch. Good luck saving the galaxy or whatever.
Greetings, Supreme Executive Chairman Drek. As you can see, we're about to test our newest automated pilot's helmet. This helmet allows pilots to control our latest high-tech fighters using only their thoughts. Please enjoy the demonstration. We still have a few minor adjustments to make.
Wow. If they ever get the kinks worked out of that thing, I have got to get me one of those.
If they are working for Chairman Drek, they may know where he is.
Is that all you can think about? Drek this and Drek that? I got my own problems.
If you cannot see the importance of this situation, you do have problems.
Yeah? Well, if you're so smart, how come you fell for Quark's stupid trick? Ah, forget it. We both need to get to this planet, and that's all that matters.
Alrighty, so let's return to our ship. And let's get started on battling against them over here. So, first, let's head over here. Because some bulls, we got these guys who throw bombs. Oh, they're too big. Oh, and we can actually use our helmet here. Helmet here to grab one of these things to help us out. So, let's continue to move on, and we'll use the bomb glove for now. This thing is so useful. Alright, so let's sleep up here. Get some more bolts. Find the dispenser for these robots. Suck them into the suck cannon. Alrighty. See that up there? And we got one of the trespassers points. So let's do this. Ready? There we are. I didn't even know I figured it out until it just kind of went away. Alright. Let's grab some more ammo. Grab some more bolts. Can they not give me any blaster ammo? Jeez. I don't understand, like, why there isn't any blaster ammo. That's another thing I hate in games, where it's like, alright, you need this one thing, and they just can't give it to you. Like, you go everywhere, and nothing happens. Yep, so let's keep moving. Head in this secret cave here. Come on, blaster ammo. There. Thank God. But I'm gonna need more than 25. So. You don't really need to worry about these guys, just worry about their bombs. But, yep, let's keep moving. Break all these things. Doesn't matter, but alright. So we got a crank. Spin this around. That's what it's all about. Alright. And let's move over here and get some more bomb glove ammo. Alright, we check our map. This is a way we can go. But the current takes us back down. So, let's go back. I'll actually meet you guys back at the top here for the bridge. And we got a tank up here. why we have this thing. There we go. And we get a pretty good sizable amount of bolts for that. But let's get some more health. Some more blaster ammo, thank God. Would have been really pissed if I didn't get the blaster ammo. Alright. Alright, so let's go up this way first off. And let's try to get over here, which we did. So, break that open, do a little bit of platforming, and I fail. Damn it. Alrighty, here is our gold bolt. Alright, so like I said before with the gold bolts, if you watch these videos, you can find these gold bolts within here. But at the end of the series, I will do a video finding all the rest of them. Now, these will not be included in that video, since they're already included in these videos. Because I assume that you watch all of my videos in order to get the full experience. There we go. Alright. Well, let's keep moving. Plus, I think we're almost at the city entrance. Extend out the bridge, and it only comes out halfway. So we gotta get to the other side and pull out the rest of the bridge. There we go. Alrighty, so let's climb on up here. Let's see what's in here. Absolutely nothing. And let's climb our way across to find him.
Blasted thing, it won't budge. I've tried everything I know short of nuclear weaponry. No, never mind.
Well, you tried. See ya.
Not so fast, soldier. You're going into that compound even if I have to throw you. Aha! That ventilation shaft leads to the turret platform. Soldier, find a way to use that shaft to infiltrate the compound undetected. You've shown bravery by making it this far, soldier. And for that, I reward you. I intercepted this communique that you might find useful. Take it. I'm off to find my battalion. Good luck.
Hello once again, fellow blog. I hope this message finds you well. As many of you know, our home planet is no longer habitable. We've abandoned our factories, our laboratories, and our happy lives because of the encroaching pollution, leaving much behind. Fortunately, the nearby planets will supply us with all we need to create our new home, which is nearing completion. Once our scientists locate the ideal orbit, our new world will be perfect. So reserve your space now. Prime locations are filling up fast. Good day.
Now do you understand why we must stop him? He won't rest until he has destroyed every planet in the galaxy.
Yeah? Well, I've got bigger fish to fry.
Bigger than the galaxy?
Well, different fish anyway. Look, didn't that commando guy say we could get into that compound?
Yes, by using the ventilation shaft. But we will need something special to walk on that.
Fine. Let's get going then. We'll come back later.
You will need a pair of Gadgetron magna boots to traverse this ventilation shaft. Unfortunately, our scanners do not detect any magna boots on this planet.
Alrighty, so with that, we are pretty much done with this planet for now. We cannot get into that last part because we do not quite possess the Magna Boots, which we need to traverse the ventilation shaft. So, this will be the end of the episode for today. Thank you guys for watching. On the next episode of Let's Play Ratchet and Clank, we will be... oh, jeez. Yeah, we will be going to one of the two next planets. We'll either be going to the Blarg Depot or the Kogor Refinery. But, considering we do things in order, we're going to go to the Blarg Depot so that we can find our pilot's helmet. So, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a good day.